So we're here with Dr. Adrienne Graves and Dr. Andrew Iwach here at Glaucoma 360. Both of you are co-founders and co-chairs of the meeting. Welcome. Just want to talk to you a bit about some of the highlights that we can expect at this year's meeting.
Well, this year is our 8th annual meeting, which we really can't believe because time is flying by. But also quite a bit has happened since we first started. And we added up the number of companies that have presented since our first meeting, and it's over 80 companies. That's over 80 companies with new ideas in glaucoma treatment, surgical devices, drug delivery. It's just phenomenal, the amount of innovation that's flourishing in glaucoma now.
And we're taking the whole range. We had our initial talk is on genetics because that is going to be an important part of the future. We had topics on diagnostics, on new new drugs, on new delivery systems, on new surgical interventions, how to pay for it all. All of that was covered, small companies with new ideas, and Dr. Graves had a great vision. That was, maybe we should do something like a Shark Tank. And sure enough, very popular, and we're still waiting for the results, but people were engaged, watching the interactions as the VCs listened, trying to poke holes in their theories, and we're going to find out who the audience picks as the winner of today's competition.
We look forward to hearing the results of that because it was a very interesting session. So are there any other interesting points that you would like, something that's different this year that you really want to highlight?
Yes, we're about halfway through the program, so we're about to go have lunch. Yay. The last session, absolutely fascinating, was on vision restoration. And a number of just top scientists, neuroscientists speaking on new scientific techniques that could pave the way for actually restoring vision in glaucoma patients, or restoring the function of sick but not dead ganglion cells. And it was absolutely fascinating. It also happens to be the topic of our new Catalyst for a Cure initiative, which maybe you could talk about.
Exactly. So the strategy of the Glaucoma Research Foundation in funding research, it's a diversified portfolio. We fund shorter-term projects to help patients today, but ultimately we want to find a cure. CFC, the Catalyst for a Cure, is now in its third phase. The first phase tried to understand what was going on better. The second phase tried to measure it. Now we're into phase 3. Now we actually think there's enough information and data that we can actually maybe even restore vision. So really what it comes down to is we're going from defense to offense. This is an exciting time in glaucoma research.
And for us at GRF, the patient is at the center of everything that we think about and everything we do. And so what do glaucoma patients, what do they think about? They want to keep their vision, and if they've lost vision, they would love to have a way to get some vision back. And we're really focusing on that now with the new Catalyst for a Cure consortium, and we're very excited about it.
It's come to the phase that when I see patients, I've always told them that we're doing everything to help your kids or your grandkids, and we're helping them in the short term, but wouldn't it be nice that these new research initiatives would really help them today? It's really an exciting time.
Well, I think the cool thing about this meeting is it's pretty much everything that's new in glaucoma. So I would say to people, if you haven't been to one of our meetings, please join us next year. It's very exciting. It's everything that's new, and the FDA is here. The top researchers are here. Top glaucoma specialists are here. Industries here, and many entrepreneurs are here, including the financial community as well. So that's Glaucoma 360, it's pretty much all here.
And so we have something pretty much for anyone. And last night we had a very successful gala, some wonderful fundraising. Today we're looking at innovations. Tomorrow, Saturday, we do teaching. And so our tagline is we celebrate, we innovate, and then we educate. That's Glaucoma 360 all around. Please join us next February 2020 here in San Francisco.